Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, 9th class. Today we will start plant tissues. Okay, as in animal cells, plant also have tissues. When single type of cell or more than one type of cell, they combine and they perform a particular function, then tissues form. Okay, similarly in plant, tissues are formed when single type or maybe two type of cells they combine and then they form a common function. Okay, for example, different cells are combined or they perform different function that may be involved in photosynthesis and they may involve in transports. Okay, so different same type of cells are combined in plant and they perform a common function. Okay, basically plant tissues are divided into two types. Okay, they may be simple tissues. Okay, plant tissues are divided into two types, simple tissues and second one is compound or complex tissues. Okay, today we will start simple tissues. Okay, simple tissues basically they are made up of single type of cells. Simple tissues are made up of single type of cell. Okay, and they are further divided into two types, meristematic tissues and permanent tissues. Okay, simple tissues are those which have single type of cells. They are called simple tissues and they are further divided into two types, meristematic tissues and permanent tissues. Today we will start meristematic tissues. Okay, these tissues basically they have the ability to divide. Okay, the basic characteristic of meristematic tissue is that they have ability to divide, so they are involved in the growth of plant. They may be involved in the plant length. They increase the plant length, or either they can increase the plant width, so they can increase the length or width of the plants. So meristematic tissues, basic characteristic of meristematic tissues are they have ability to divide. Okay, and structure of these meristematic tissues is like they are thin and has large nucleus and small or no vacuoles. Okay, and there is no intercellular spaces between cells in meristematic tissues. Okay, in plants, basically meristematic tissues are divided into two main types, apical meristematic tissues and lateral meristematic tissues. Okay, apical and lateral meristems. These are the two type of meristematic tissues present in plants. Okay, apical meristematic tissues are present at the apex of root and shoot, means at the tips. Apex means tips of root and shoot, and so they are involved in increase in length of these tissues, these parts. Okay, so apical meristematic tissues, they increase the length of the plant. Okay, such type of the growth is called as primary growth. Okay, apical meristematic tissues they are involved in the length of the plant, and so they are involved in the primary growth of the plant. Okay, second type of the meristematic tissues are lateral meristematic tissues, and it's basically present on the lateral side of the root and shoot. Okay, and they are involved in increasing the growth of the plant parts. Okay, they are involved in the increase in the growth of the plant parts like root and shoot, and this type of tissue growth is known as secondary growth. Okay, this type of known as secondary growth. The papers में इस तरह से आ जाता है कि differentiate between primary and secondary growth, differentiate between apical or meristematic tissues, or what are the type of मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यूज. तो सो दिस इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट रिगार्डिंग पेपर्स के हिसाब से भी इम्पॉर्टेंट है. इसके अलावा लेटर मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यूज की टाइप्स हैं वो भी पूछ ली जाती हैं. देयर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ later meristematic tissues. One is vascular cambium and second is lateral cambium. There are 2 types of cork cambium. There are 2 types of lateral meristematic tissues. One is vascular cambium and second is cork cambium. This vascular cambium is present between xylem and phloem, and this cork cambium is present on the lateral side of the plant. So lateral meristematic tissues are further divided into 2 types, vascular cambium and cork cambium. Vascular cambium is present between xylem and phloem, and cork cambium is present on the outer lateral side of the plant. Okay, so these are the different types of meristematic tissues. Okay, there is another type of meristematic tissues, and they are present in some grasses, which is known as intercalary meristematic tissues. These are present in the form of small patches in the mature tissues, and they are present in some grasses, and they are basically for the regeneration of the parts which are eaten by herbivores or removed by herbivores. When they remove that parts, it is again grow by these intercalary meristematic tissues. So these are another type of meristematic tissues. Okay, this is a diagram which also shows the apical meristemat. This figure show the apical meristematic tissues present in root tips. Okay, and in this figure there is vascular cambium and cork cambium. It is shown in the stem. Okay, so these are different figures which shows the different types of meristematic tissues in roots and tip. Okay, this is today's lesson. I hope you will learn it. Allah Hafiz.